I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm...
Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you are so great and you are enjoying your days. So, let's start with our activities of this day. Present simple. In affirmative ideas, when you have the personal pronouns he, she, and it, you have to add a s to the verb. Example, he eats, she eats, it is. For I, you, we, and they, it is not necessary to add the s. In negative ideas, we have the auxiliary don't and doesn't. For I, you, we, and they, you have to use don't. For he, she, and it, you will use doesn't. In this case, it is not necessary to add the super s to the verb. Example, he doesn't eat, she doesn't eat. In interrogative ideas, we will use do and does. For I, you, we, and they, we will use do. For he, she, and it, we will use does. These are the activities of this day. The first activity is to go to Educaplay and answer the exercise about present simple. The second activity is to go to Mayon and read the following book. The third activity is to go to 408 and answer the following questions. Do you like the book? What was your favorite part and why? That's all for today. See you tomorrow and have a good afternoon.
I never made it,